In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove profile on TikTok. So on your TikTok app, just go to your profile and tap your photo. And then click on change photo. You can get photo from your gallery or you can take photo right now. So for me, I'm taking pictures. So what you need to do is cover your camera and take off your flash and you'll have a plain black photo. Once done, just save your photo. And if you want to have a white background, just simply search on Google and upload it here. So if you want a default profile picture, just search it on any browsers that you have. Just type in default profile picture commons wikis and go over in image and choose and download it to your device. So once you're done, just go back to your TikTok app, tap on edit profile, choose on your gallery, and select the photo you just saved on your device. And that's it. As you can see now, the picture looks like something generic that you would find anywhere on the web. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.